Hello folks, today we're gonna talk about Python programming for beginners and assignment statement and why Python is dynamically typed language and some operator like not and or, and as you know in other programming language or in different way like in symbolic way, right? For example, or in this way and we write in other, for example in Java, and not maybe exclamation marks, and this way we denoted. But in Python we write this keyword like not and or. Okay, let's do some hands-on. And in last video I show you how to install PyCharm and Python, and now here you create a new project and give it like project 3 p3 and then create. So it's gonna creating. Okay, now let's rightmost click new and Python file. Again Python file, for example demo2 dot py as an suffix for Python file. Press enter. So let's write print Antech80. So it's as basic as like this way. Let's run it and see what's happened here. Run demo2 and it's showing, right? So I already typed my code here. So for example, enter a number here and then print this number, or for example, okay, so print n. Okay, now run it. Enter a number. It says I have to enter a number, for example 12, and now it's showing whatever we write the code. Okay, now we write to use this if else block. So like other programming, we don't use here curly braces. Is maintain the indentation, like whatever you write the line in next, so this is the indentation. So if you keep writing in the same indentation, that means it's one block, and then again same way, and then when you press one blank line and then it's done. Okay, it's not taking anyway. Okay, so if number is greater than 12 10, then it's come this block, otherwise that block. So let's put first of all, let's, if it is greater than, so let's put 12. So it said hello and number is more than 10, see. Or else if we write less than, so here if we write 8, see here. Now I like to write print and here number is n, and as we know into 2 is give you multiply this number, but if we give double 2, then what's happened? For example, again run it, and if we write 5, then see 5 5 is a 5, 25. So this one is to the power or exponential. Like if you like to find like n to the power like 8, you will get it. So run it, and then 2 to the power 8. That's it. It's as simple as it is. Now we'd like to write a method or function. I better like to say is function. So it's take when you while we write a function, is take double space, means double line space, and then there is no complaint. Now, so this number, whatever is this is odd, it will return if the number remainder, means here we using modular operator. This one is called modular operator. So whatever number we supply, it divided by 2, and if it's remain 1, then it will return true. Okay, so let's run it like this way, and let's see what's the n number. So it will either display true or false. So it should say true. For example, I put 12. So 12 8 to the power, and it says false. So 12 is not odd number, right? Is odd? True. If it is odd, now again, okay, so here is a for loop. So here's simple for loop. Let's see what's gonna happen here. So the for loop, it will be iterate 5 times, okay? And so one important things like here, I like to tell you before, if we, okay, we're gonna show you a little bit later on. So as we discuss here, like assignment statement, okay? So let's see here. So for example, here this one is assignment statement or whatever. Like if we write, we don't need to declare its data type. For example, n equal to like 3.4. So easily we can do it. And if you, I mean, and then it says format the line. If you just mouse over, and then you could format it, and then there is no complaint. And see, before it was integer, and we never say like n is integer, right? So it's gonna take the value as an integer. Oh, here int it says. However, like here again we say, so this is called dynamic type. For example, here if we say print n, and then again if we print n, and then again n equal to, for example, format it. That's it. And then again we print n, and as is, so now again n equal to 7. So again let's run it. So see, simple, 1n, lot of value, like here is integer, here 3.4. Okay, let's run it, then we're gonna discuss this later, like 2. So it's showing like n equal to 2, n equal to 3.5, n equal to Anupom, whatever we put it there, right? So thing is that, as PHP is a dynamic type language, that's why one single variable we can put different type of value, whatever in Java, C++, or I mean VB, or like .NET, C Sharp, is not possible simply. So that's why it's called the like dynamic typed language. And now whatever I like to show you guys, now again I delete it and I like to keep it here. So it's more than 2 line, and that's why it's again complaining. Now no more complain, paste it. So here is say is odd, then it says odd. Okay, and here for this one is conditional operator, and C is a keyword, and all keyword in the same color. And while you write something, and if this color is changed, then that is a keyword. And then it says if less greater than 12, then it will show odd and greater than 12. Okay, so let's run it. uh, but I think it's not show anything. Let's go. So here I write 2. So see, all even number is showed, because in odd number condition we say if it is odd and greater than 12, then it will only display. So for example, if we go by here, range is like 24 or like 50, and what's happened if we write I equal to, right, okay, we don't need to do that. And let's see what's gonna happen now. So here we write 2 again. So first few times they don't display anything like odd number, and when it is like greater than 12, means n equal to 13, then it start saying like it's a odd and greater than 12. Okay, that's it for now. Stay with me, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much.